Here we go again. I'm Teacher Jess. How are you? Yes, you're all fine. And that's good. Okay, today I will teach you another math trick that you can use in your math subjects, in your exams, quizzes, and in your daily life activities. I know some of you have a difficulty in multiplying numbers. Am I right? Yes, I'm right. So, before that, I guess you need some paper and pen so you can try it at your home. Now, I will teach you how to multiply numbers by just drawing a line. Are you ready? Paper and pen ready? So, let's proceed. So, let's say we will multiply two numbers. Can you give one? Okay, go. 12 multiplied by 14. And what's the answer? As I've said earlier, we will use lines in multiplying these numbers. So, in representing 1, we will draw one line. Like this. Get it? And for the second number, we will leave a space here and we'll put the two lines here. Get it? Okay. For the next number, we'll write this number here, representing one line because it's number 1. And the last number 4 here. We will leave a space here and we will write the number 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Got it? So after that, we will
Go.
So, after that, we will divide these lines into 3 parts. The left wing, the right wing, and the center. What we will do? Here's the trick. We will count the dots made by this line. So, in the right wing, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 dots. So, that's 8. Got it? So, we will count the dots in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's 6. And in the left wing, we have 1. So, that's the final answer. 168. You can calculate it by your calculator if you're not satisfied. Guess you are. Okay, I'll give you another example. Let's try some bigger number. So let's have 32 and what number? Multiplied by 86. That's a large number, you know. So as we go on the first step, we'll represent this tree into 3 lines. So 1, 2, 3. And leave a space for the second number. That's 2. 1 and 2. So, for the next number, it's 8. So, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Got it? Okay, that's right. And for the last number, we have 6. Leave a space and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And divide it into 3 parts. The left wing, the right wing, and the center. Got it? So, we will count the number of dots. 32 times 86 is equal to, count the number of dots in the right wing. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So we have 2 here. 12. We have 12. So in the center, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. We have 18 at the top and at the bottom we have 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, and 34. So we have 34 dots overall in the center. So we will put 34 here. 34. So By this, you can observe that we have two different numbers. So we will add that later. So in the left wing, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. We have also 24. So we will put that somewhere here, 24. I'm sorry for the dirt on the screen and on the whiteboard. So we'll just add these three numbers, three group of numbers. So we have 2, 4 plus 1 equals 5, 4 plus 3, we have 7, and bring down 2. So 32 multiplied by 86, the answer is 2,752. Get it? So you can try it also at your home. That's all. Thank you. I hope you learned something. You can try it at your home. Just practice, practice, and practice so you can get it. Right? So see you.
Hi, I'm Teacher May. Do you find difficulties in multiplying large number? Well, today I'll show you the easiest way in multiplying large number in your head. So, let's start. We use 92 and 97 as the number to be multiplied. Then this number, we will deduct this number from 100. So, 100 minus 92, we get 8. And 100 minus 97, we get 3. The next thing we will do, we will add the 8 and 3. So 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. And 11, we will deduct 11 from 100. So 100 minus 11 is equal to 89. We get 89 and we will put in here. You see it? We will put 89 beside of 92 times 97. Then, the next thing we will do is we multiply 8 and 3. And we get 8 times 3 is 24. And 24, we will put it beside of 89. So that's it. We have the product. So 92 times 97 is equal to 8,924. Now let's try another example. We use 88 and 93 as the number to be multiplied. And this number, we deducted it from 100. So 100 minus 88 is equal to 12. And 100 minus 93, we get 7. The next thing we will do, we add 12 and 7. So 12 plus 7 is equal to 19. And this number, we will deduct it from 100. So 100 minus 19 is equal to 81. And 81, we will put it on here. Do you get it? And the next thing we will do, we multiply 12 and 7. So 12 times 7 is equal to 84. And 84, we will put it on beside of 81. So we find the answer. The product of 88 times 93 is 8,184. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. So, bye for now.
Hi, good morning. I'm Teacher Lan. Do you have any idea or simplest way on how to multiply by 9? Now, I will teach you how to multiply by 9 using our hands. Now, are you familiar with it? I guess you're not. Now, I will teach you how. This will be our model. Our hands. Do you have a hands? Of course you have. Now, we will label it from 1 to 10. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. For example, we will use 9 and 3 to be multiplied. Since our multiplicator is 3, we will count 1 to 3. Let's start. 1, 2, 3. And we will bring it down. Now, in this part, we have 1, 2. This part, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7. Now we will combine it. So we have 27. Our product is 27. Can you get it? Now we will try it by our hands. Do you have the hands? Okay, now let's try. We will multiply 9 times 5. So since our multiplicator is 5, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this part, we have 4. In this part, we have 5. We have 45. Again, let's try another one. We will multiply 9 times 8. So, our multiplicator is 8. So, we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this part, we have 7. In this part, we have 2. So, the answer is 72. Are you correct? I'm glad you are. Now, thank you for listening. Bye for now.
Hi there, I'm Teacher Chi. I know you've been struggling in solving and multiplying numbers by 8 and 9. That's why I made this video tutorial to show you some tricks on how to multiply numbers by 8 and 9. Let us first write the table of numbers to be multiplied by 8. 8 times 1, 8 times 2, 8 times 3, 8 times 4, 8 times 5, 8 times 6, 8 times 7, 8 times 8, 8 times 9, and 8 times 10. Let's write numbers 0 to 4 vertically downward. Then write numbers 4 to 8 vertically downward below the number 4 you have written earlier. Then write 0 to 4, 6, 8 vertically upward right after or beside the number 8 you have written. Then repeat the pattern vertically upward. And we already got the final answer. So let's proceed in multiplying numbers by 9. First, I will write the table of numbers to be multiplied by number 9. 9 times 1, 9 times 2, 9 times 3, 9 times 4, 9 times 5, 9 times 6, 9 times 7, 9 times 8, 9 times 9, and 9 times 10. Let's write numbers 0 to 9 vertically downward. And write numbers 0 to 9 vertically upward. And now we got the final answer. And thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. See you in my next tutorial. Bye!
Hi guys, I'm Teacher Chris. Today, I'm going to teach you simple math tricks that will be able to help you solve math equations. This discussion is called the butterfly method in adding and subtracting fraction. Let's proceed with our discussion. So we will use 4, 6, and 3/5. So the next step, we will draw a butterfly. After drawing butterfly, we will multiply these two numbers. So 4 times 5 is equals to 20. And 3 times 6 is equals to 18. Then 6 times 5 is equals to 30. The next step is we will add these two numbers. So 20 plus 18 is equals to 38. And copy this number. So to get the final answer, we will simplify it. So the final answer is 1 and 8 over 30. Did you get it? Let's try again some example. After addition, we will now proceed with the subtraction. So it is just the same process. So I will give again two fractions. 5 over 6 and 3 over 7. So the next step, we will draw again a butterfly. After drawing butterfly, we will multiply these two again numbers. So 5 times 7 is equals to 35. And 6 times 3 is equals to 18. And 6 times 7 is equals to 42. So we will subtract these two numbers. So 35 minus 18 is equals to 17. And copy this number over 42. So this is the final answer. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something. Bye!
Hi, I'm teacher Lisel, and today I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to add a fraction with unlike denominator. Now we use 1/6 plus 1/5 as the number to be added. Then next, we add the denominator of the first and second fraction. So 6 plus 5 over then next we multiply the denominator of the first and second fraction. So it will be 6 times 5. Now let's find the answer. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Then 6 times 5 is equal to 30. So that's it. That's the final answer. Remember, this matrix can be only used in some condition. First, the numerator must be 1. And if the numerator is greater than 1, we will use other process. So let's try another example. Now, we use 5/2 plus 2/6 as the number to be added. Then next, we multiply the numerator by its denominator. So, 5 times 2 equals to 10. Now, we go to the next fraction. 2 times 6 is equal to 12. Now, we add these two numbers. So, 10 plus 12 is equal to 22. We represent 22 as the numerator. Now, for us to get the denominator, we multiply this
to denominator of each fraction. So 2 times 6 is equals to 12. Now, we write here 12 as a represent of denominator. But this is not the final answer yet. So, we have to simplify this in the lowest term. So, the final answer is 1/10 over 12 or 1/5 over 11. So, that's it. That's the final answer. Thank you for watching and I hope you learned something. See you on my next tutorial. Bye!
Hi, good morning. I'm Teacher Lisette. Do you have any idea about multiplying by 11? So, today, I will teach you how to learn some tricks about multiplying by 11. So, first, notice that the first digit of the number that is multiplied by 11 appeared again the answer. Then the second is the number in the middle of the answer is always found by adding the digits of the number that is multiplied by 11. So, let's start. We use 35 times 11. First, we copy the 3 and 5. 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. Then, 3, leave space and 5. Then, 8, put 8 between 3 and 5. So, the answer is 385. So, get it? So, let's try another examples. 45 times 11. We add 4 and 5. 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. And 4, leave space, put 5 and put 9 between 4 and 5. So, the answer is 495. So, get it? So, let's try the harder. So, let's try the harder. 3,981 times 11. So, first, copy the first and last digit, which is 3 and 1. So, second, add 8 and 1, which is 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. And 9 plus 8 is equals to 17. And 3 plus 9 is equals to 12. So, we put 9 here beside 1. Then 17 here. Then 12. 12 here. So, let's add. 2 plus 1 is equals to 3 and 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. Then copy 7, 9, 1. And that's the final answer. So, get it? Okay, try it by your own. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. Bye for now.